Morning traders, welcome to priceactionforum.com and welcome from sunny Greece. Just the second part of the trade we took yesterday, the live British pound US dollar trade. The trade did trigger. We are now around about 50 pips into profit, into the green. Let me just quickly recap the setup. We took the trade of the 4-hour time frame in conjunction with the daily time frame. If you remember, we had a nice pin bar of resistance at 163. Then afterwards we had this pin bar here, which rejected this resistance over here, which I explained in the previous video. The trade did not trigger straight away. It almost triggered, then went up, and then came down during the night and triggered, and is now well into profit. If you can see, just to add a few things to this setup, we have another inside bar here, which is a continuation candle, which means it's now continuing the downtrend. The total trend is still up, so we've got to remember this is a counter trend trade, so we will not push our luck. If you go to the daily time frame and you zoom out a tiny bit, you'll realize that here is support. I've drawn it there at 160.60, and I've put my target was at a little bit above that, 160.70. At the moment there's not much we can do. What I normally do, once the trade is in profit, round about 50 pips established. What I mean by that is when the trade is hovering around 50, 45, 55, say 60 pips, I then will put my stop to break even to protect my profits, which means we're now in a free trade. I still haven't done that. I'm going to go ahead and do it. And then we'll just have to wait and see how she flies. I enjoy doing these videos. It just shows you that what we do works. Here at priceactionforum.com, let me just quickly change this to break even. 12. There you go. We still have about 65, 75 pips to go to our target. There's nothing to do right now. Just sit back, relax, and watch the market. Once target is hit, I will update you and see how she goes.